Hi all, in this video we will see what is the use of Ctrl plus G in Excel, and we'll also learn how this will help us to fill the blank cells quickly in certain requirements. Let's get into our practical session. Welcome to Aztec Vlogs and my name is Santosh. Here I have a set of data which talks about order date, region, rep, item, units, unit cost and total. And we can see there are a lot of blank cells. This blank cells belongs to Andrews, who purchased binder and pencil on this particular days. So according to us, what we need to do now, and the task given to us is we need to fill those blank cells with the respective name which allocated for that particular rep. I mean, in this column it will be rep, and in this column it will be the items which they purchased, and in this column region. If you can see here we have central as a region, and later we can see east and west. That means till here it is for central, and rest of things for east and other things for west. Like the same for reps also. Here it will come Andrews, who purchased binder and pencil from central region, like that. So how we will perform this, and we will fill those blank cells, and we need to get an expected result like this. So it should get completely filled with data. Let's see. Go to end of this data sheet. I mean, like we have a 130 data, so I mean 130 set of data in a row, and till G column. Keep your cursor here and select that particular column. Leave the header and press Ctrl G. Now you got an option called special. Click it and you need to select blanks. Now click OK. Now you need to type equal to here. Don't disturb anything post the selection. Just type equal to and select the above cell and press Ctrl Enter. See, this complete column got filled up with data as per the requirement. Like the same we will do it for rep also. Ctrl G, select special, select blanks, click OK, type equal to, select the above cell with text and Ctrl Enter. Like the same for items. Ctrl G, select special, select blanks, click OK, equal to, select the above cell and Ctrl Enter. Now the data got completely filled. Correct, right? Yes. We have a common other shortcut key which is called Ctrl plus D. But when we work in a huge data, it will take a lot of our time. So what we need to do is we can go with this shortcut method and can manage our productive time effectively. By this, we will end up our session here. Hope you all got a chance to learn an easy method to fill the blank cells while handling a huge data. Kindly support us by subscribing our channel, and please don't forget to click the bell icon to get our updates immediately. Thank you and bye now from Aztec Vlogs.